Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is you and your person reading, and as usual they are also general readings, so they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. And on one side you will see the cards which will be picking up your energies, on other side are the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Okay, so but you are supposed to pick your sides. It can be vice versa, so please swap the characters according to your situation. Okay, so let's see what we have for Virgos. The Eight of Cups on your side, Two of Pentacles on your person's side. The most likely outcome is the Magician. Okay, so with Eight of Cups, you are moving away from something. Okay, and what I feel is you are moving, turning your back from these emotions. You are emotional about this situation. You are emotional, you're really a lot emotional about the situation, but the thing is that there are circumstances which are, which according to which you feel that you need to move away from this situation, and that is because you want some mental peace, you want upliftment of your own self. Okay, and that is why you are choosing to walk away from this situation. On your person side, we have the Two of Pentacles. So maybe there is a decision which is not being made, and this is the reason which is upsetting you, and you decide to move away because you're not getting what you want. Perhaps this person is making you hang since a long time. Maybe this person is not committing. Maybe this person is maybe they come in and then they leave you. It's sort of this person is not clear about what they want, or they, at least they are not committing to you. They are being indecisive, and they are not giving you a commitment basically over here. Okay, they are juggling with you. That's what basically they are juggling with you, indecisiveness, and this is what is bothering you and irritating you, and perhaps that is why you decide to move away. But the outcome is the Magician, so this can manifest. This can manifest. This relationship can manifest. Let's see what are the clarifiers. We have to see how it can come to fruition. Let's see on your side for the Virgos. Okay, we have the Empress, we have the Knight of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. Okay, on your person's side, we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. And the most likely outcome, we have the King of Pentacles, the World, and the Two of Wands. Okay. So what I feel here, Virgos, is that definitely you want a new beginning basically. You want a new beginning, and what I feel is that you will be focusing on yourself now. Okay, so though you want a new beginning, but you want to sort of moving away from this. You will be investing perhaps a little less in this situation, focusing more on yourself and realizing your self-worth. Okay, that is something which is on your mind now. This is what you actually want to do. Okay, but then there is a new beginning also over here. So you do want a new beginning, but you want to focus on yourself also. You are taking back your power also, realizing your self-worth also. These are the things which you are doing, and what I feel is once you will be able to balance yourself in some way, shape or form. Maybe you are too hurt over something, but once you are able to make up or come out of this situation, whatever this situation is, you will have this new beginning, or you will be ready for this new beginning. And with the Knight of Swords and the Ten of Wands, what I feel here is that you're moving very fast towards this person, and unburdening yourself. So basically there is some sort of a burden which you are carrying over here, and once you are able to release this burden and focus on yourself, and then you are rushing in towards, you feel like rushing in towards this person, I think. And this rushing in towards that person is releasing your burdens basically. So it is, the only thing is, there is something which is bothering you perhaps, or it is becoming a burden, whatever it is. So you are moving away from emotional aspect, something which is bothering you, unburden, realizing your self-worth, and then rushing towards this person, and this causes you to actually unburden the situation, and you feel good about it. That's what I'm getting. But there is a new beginning over here with the Empress. Definitely there is a new beginning and realization of self-worth also. Overall, the scenario is that you are moving away from something and unburdening yourself emotionally, and once you are able to take back your self-power or self-esteem or self-worth, then you feel that now you are ready for the new relationship, and then you make a move. It's something like that. And here with the Two of Pentacles, we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. So I think this person is not able to make up their mind either, but they are working hard on something. Maybe they are focusing on something else. That is why they are not giving you that attention. Their mind is somewhere else basically. They are focused on something else basically, which is occupying their time and their mind. Or maybe there are certain circumstances and reasons which they have, which they need to build up, or this is the reason on which they are really working hard before they come to the conclusion, or they are not able to make a decision because of this reason, that they are focused on something else. Now this something else can be their career, it can be something else, but they are building up something slowly and slowly, working hard on something. Maybe it's their own self, it can be that also. Maybe they are working hard on themselves to come to a decision, or they are focused on something else, but right now it is coming off as if they are not ready for a commitment sort of a thing. And with the Seven of Swords, what I feel here is they are not ready for commitment right now. They're focused on something else. Maybe they need the time, and they are not committing over here, and this is the reason which is which makes you feel bad basically. But with the Page of Pentacles, their eyes are on you. They want a beginning with you. It's not that they don't want a beginning with you. So what I feel here is that give them that time, because once you give them that time to realize whatever, or to make that decision, maybe they are commitment phobic, maybe they don't want to commit, whatever the reason is. Due to any reason they are not committing as for now, but they will commit. They will realize, they will come to a conclusion, and they will realize that this is what they want, and they will come in. That's what I feel. At least they will show some gesture, maybe however small it is, but some gesture will be seen from their side. But give them that time, and you also focus on yourself during that time. And here with the Magician, I've already told you, here we have the King of Pentacles, the World, and the Two of Wands. So what I feel here is, things will be changing. The situation will be back in control. There will be a new beginning. Definitely things will be back in control. Maybe they are focusing on their financial aspects. Maybe they want to settle before committing, and that is the reason which is stopping them. Maybe they are not settled properly as for now, and that is why they are not committing. But I think you will be able to make it, because things will be okay with the King of Pentacles. If these are the financial reasons, or whatever the reasons are, which look more like financial or outside your own self, it's not emotional basically. I don't see it's about the physical world. Okay, and once things are under their control, they want certain things of the situation to be under their control. The things are not under their control, that is why they are not able to take a decision. And once things are under their control, things will change with the world, and you will be able to come to a conclusion and move towards a new journey. You will be able to make it. That's what I feel. Things will balance out, and You will move on towards a new chapter of life. That's what I feel. You will have a new beginning with this person. Let's see what is the message from the universe for Virgos. Forgiveness. Nothing is gained by holding on to the past disappointment. So here the thing is, if both of you, because of this indecisiveness and because you are being you feel so stuck up and you are being sort of forced to walk off, even though you don't want to walk off, if you want a new beginning, you have to unburden yourself also, and you have to release the burden. You have to forgive this person and forgive each other for whatever happens during this waiting period. Number 29 or number 11 may be of some significance for you. So forgiveness is, nothing is gained by holding on to the past disappointment. So once you are able to commit, once this person comes to you and commits to you, or shows the some signs of commitment, if not entirely commitment, if they show some interest or inclination towards you, the guidance here is, do not hold on to this past grudge. Do not keep on complaining about their indecisive state. Just forgive, both of you forgive and move on. Okay, and then only then you will be able to make this relationship a beautiful one and move to the next chapter of your life. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.